Liter. A liter of milk. A liter of juice. 2 liters of water. Kilo. 3 kilos of onions. A kilo of potatoes. A kilo of strawberries. Leg. A leg of lamb. Breast. 2 chicken breasts. Loaf. A loaf of bread. Dozen. A dozen eggs. Half a dozen eggs. Gram. 600 grams of cheese. 500 grams of rice. Steak. 2 salmon steaks. Bunch. A bunch of roses. A bunch of grapes. A bunch of bananas. Piece. A piece of wood. A piece of cloth. A piece of metal. A piece of advice. Sheet. A sheet of paper. A sheet of metal. Set. A set of tools. A set of dishes. A set of conditions. Crowd. A crowd of people. A crowd of fans. Group. A group of friends. A group of boys. A group of students. Team. A team of players. A team of doctors. Game. A game of chess. A game of tennis. Lump. A lump of ice. A lump of coal. A lump of rock. Pair. A pair of shoes. A pair of socks. A pair of glasses. Slice. A slice of bread. A slice of cake. A slice of bacon. Bottle. A bottle of olive oil. A bottle of water. Cup. A cup of coffee. A cup of green tea. Pinch. A pinch of salt. A pinch of cinnamon. Head. A head of garlic. A head of lettuce. Spoonful. A spoonful of sugar. A spoonful of peanut butter. Handful. A handful of nuts. A handful of berries. Teaspoon. A teaspoon of sugar. A teaspoon of vanilla extract. Tablespoon. A tablespoon of flour. A tablespoon of ketchup. Glass. A glass of milk. A glass of juice. Bowl. A bowl of salad. A bowl of soup. Plate. A plate of rice. A plate of pasta. Can. A can of soda. A can of beans. Carton. A carton of milk. A carton of juice. Tube. A tube of sunscreen. A tube of toothpaste. Jar. A jar of jam. A jar of pickles. Box. A box of matches. A box of chocolates. Bag. A bag of chips. A bag of flour. Tub. A tub of ice cream. A tub of yogurt. Minute. A minute of silence. A minute of exercise. Hour. An hour of work. An hour of relaxation. List. A list of tasks. A list of ingredients. Groups of animals. A swarm of bees. A pack of wolves. A herd of cows. A shoal of fish. A flock of birds or sheep.